Hello, everyone. I'm a Power Platform consultant currently working at an IT consulting firm. In my role, I specialize in providing guidance on technical aspects and governance considerations of Power Platform. Today, I'd like to walk you through an essential topic: managed environments and their key points to consider. As organizations increasingly adopt Power Platform for their business solutions, understanding how to properly manage and govern these environments becomes crucial. I'll share insights from my experience helping clients implement and optimize their Power Platform environments effectively. Managed environments are specialized administrative tools that provide granular control over system functionality. Their key advantage lies in the ability to selectively enable specific functions from a comprehensive feature set. Weekly usage analysis provides monthly performance insights, tracking neglected applications, and offering a comprehensive overview of apps and flows. This helps administrators maintain optimal system performance. The sharing restrictions feature enables administrators to control app sharing within the environment, enhancing security and access control measures. Solution Checker Force serves as a gatekeeper when importing apps or flow solutions from other environments. It automatically blocks imports if compatibility issues or component errors are detected, preventing potential system problems. Advanced backup features extend beyond the standard 7-day retention period of production environments without Dynamics 365 applications, offering greater flexibility in data protection. The upcoming DLP, Data Loss Prevention, for Desktop Flow feature is scheduled for release in January 2025, though this timeline may be adjusted based on development needs. IP cookie binding enhances security by verifying IP addresses, comparing the cookie issuance IP with the current computer's IP address accessing the site. For monitoring capabilities, data can be exported to Azure Application Insights, enabling tracking of action logs and identification of operations with extended call counts and times. 2 preview features are also available: Author Welcome Content, supporting plain text and markdown input, and Default Environment Routing, which automatically directs authors to their personal development environment. These features collectively enhance system control, security, and operational efficiency. The selective enabling of functions provides organizations with necessary flexibility while maintaining robust system management. Let me walk you through the key scenarios where implementing a managed environment proves particularly effective for strengthening governance. The first scenario is when optimizing a large-scale operating environment. This applies to situations where you have multiple users working with the same applications and workflows on a shared platform. It's especially crucial for environments handling sensitive data that require enhanced security measures. Additionally, these environments often need preventive measures because any system failure could have widespread impacts across the organization. The second scenario is when you need to expand beyond basic functionalities. This becomes relevant in 2 main situations. First, when your current analysis tools and backup systems aren't delivering the results you need. Second, when your environment requires more sophisticated management and analytical capabilities that go beyond standard functions. The third scenario applies to organizations that have already implemented advanced licenses across their operations. This scenario offers 2 significant advantages. First, there are considerable cost benefits as you can reduce additional license fees. Second, it creates an environment where you can maximize the utilization of your existing resources. To put this in perspective, think of a managed environment as a sophisticated control system that adapts to your organization's specific needs. For large organizations, it provides the necessary oversight and security measures. For growing organizations, it offers the flexibility to expand capabilities as needed. And for organizations with advanced licenses, it helps optimize both costs and resource utilization. In essence, managed environments are particularly valuable when you need to strengthen governance while maintaining operational efficiency. The key is identifying which of these scenarios aligns with your organization's current needs and future growth plans.
Now, let me highlight some crucial points about managed environments that you need to be aware of. especially when implementing or switching to one. First, it's important to understand that managed environments are disabled by default. This is a fundamental setting you need to know about. These environments are applicable across all environment types, whether it's default, developer, production, or any other type. The control of these environments is centralized in the Power Platform Management Center, where you can toggle them on or off and make necessary edits. However, not everyone can make these changes. You need specific administrative privileges, either as a Power Platform administrator, Dynamics 365 administrator, or global administrator, to control these settings. Once you enable a managed environment, you gain access to advanced features like the Solution Checker function and IP Cookie Point function. Now, let me explain a critical point about licensing and access. Looking at the diagram, you can see two scenarios. When managed environments are disabled, both paid license holders and free license holders can access and execute applications and workflows without restrictions. However, when you enable the managed environment, and this is crucial, there's a significant change in execution rights. While paid license holders maintain full access and execution capabilities, free license holders face a limitation. They can still access the environment, but they cannot execute application and flow processing. This distinction is vital for your planning, especially if you're considering switching to a managed environment mid-operation. You need to ensure that all users who require execution privileges have the appropriate paid licenses before making the switch. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please add comments.